Hello and welcome to another YouTube Content Management System tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to manage your home page and sidebar elements. Before I do that, I just want to explain to you the difference between your home page and every other page that you'll be able to create or manage through the YouTube Content Management System. The differences being that every page that you create or manage is a dynamic page. So it's a page template that draws from data that you had entered through the YouTube Content Management System into the database. Every page's look and feel is the same. The sidebar elements will be consistent, and the page text itself will be consistent in width and formatting. So on the home page, in contrast, you'll see various elements, and what we tried to do with the YouTube website templates is make sure that the home page is much more appealing than every page that you'll create or manage. It consists of several elements, and each website template will be different and have different elements, more or less elements for you to be able to manage. You can see there's various text boxes and links here, and on the sidebar there's also various text boxes and link sections. So first things first, go ahead and log into your YouTube Content Management System, and you will see an option in the administration menu called HomePage and Sidebar. Underneath that header you'll see several options, and each option corresponds to an element that you'll be able to manage in your home page and your sidebar. Each option is fairly self-explanatory in title, but I'll go through them quickly. Now, the first is the home page header image. The header image is basically the image at the top of your website that provides the background for your title and your company slogan. So it will be consistent throughout all the pages of your website. Once you change it, that change will be consistent throughout all your elements. So I'm just going to upload a quick header image that I'd created. Under my pictures here, and I'm going to upload that. Now you do have the option to crop it. I would recommend leaving this blank cropping it at 100% of the size that it was uploaded, and what I would do is edit the actual header image itself in a local photo editor and crop it to size, etc. And we provide you with a header PSD file that you'll be able to manage and edit yourself. So I'm just going to click crop header here, and my new header should appear with the reload here. And you see it's just standard white. It's kind of ugly. I don't really like that header image color, but for sake of example it works. Now, one thing I'll show you is if at any time you don't like the one you've uploaded, the header image, you can just go in through your media library, which lists all of your media that you've uploaded to your server, and there it is. It's the most recent upload. I'm just going to delete it, and by deleting it, it will reset your header image back to the standard header image that we provided in the original design. And there it is. Okay, so the next option is featured images. The featured images are the images that scroll through continuously on the home page. You can see them here. What that is a sum of all of the images uploaded in the featured image section of your YouTube Content Management System. So I've uploaded 3 here. I'm just going to delete and change out one. I'm going to upload one that I've saved here called Home. I'm just going to upload that. I'm going to go back to my home page and refresh it. And there's the most recent featured image that I've uploaded. One thing I'll note is, as you can see, for sake of example, it's kind of blurry. That's because the image was very small. I would upload an image of quality, not an image too large, because all of the images that you upload in the feature section need to be loaded upon page load of the home page. So the more images and the larger they are that you have, the longer it's going to take for your home page to load. So you want to keep that efficient. I'm just going to scroll down here and show you a couple other options. The header image link, this is the link that up here you'll be able to set to link to wherever you want. I would recommend just keeping it your URL. You can enable a fade. Here I've enabled the fade, or you can just enable it to transition, to cut from one image to the other. You can sort your images by alphabetical or by random, and that's alphabetical by the file name. You can also adjust the length of time each image is displayed in seconds before fading to the next, and you can also adjust the length of time it takes to fade from one to the next. Okay, the next option I'm going to show you, real quick just the text boxes. The text boxes you see here, text box left and text box middle. In some website templates you'll see a text box right and a home page section, or sorry, a welcome section, and if you do see those on the website template, you'll be able to manage those in this. There will be additional elements to manage those sections in this menu option. So I'm just going to show you real quick the left, text box left on the home page. It takes you to the standard text editor that I've already shown you in previous tutorial videos for editing and managing web pages, and as well as managing your blog. It's the exact same text editor. You can upload images, you can adjust the text, modify the text, upload video, that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to go into too much detail with that in this tutorial video. I do want to show you links. Now the links, in the case of this particular website template, are found on the standard page template. So you see here you have a links section, and every link that you add to the YouTube content management system will show up in this links section automatically. So I'm just going to add one real quick. I want to add MSN. So MSN search. The name field is obviously the name that your customers will see. It won't be the actual URL that your customers see, but the name that you enter into this name field. And the actual URL is msn.com. Now you can add a description. You can also add categories. If you have a lot of links, you might want to categorize them for your own sake. You also have a couple advanced options. I mean, this is just informational stuff to help you index and understand where this link is coming from and why you have it on your website. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then I'm going to reload this page. And you see it's been added, MSN search here. I'm also going to show you real quick how to edit your links. This pretty standard process. This is a lot like the web pages that I showed you, how to manage your web pages or your blog posts, but it just gives you a list of all your links. You can go in and edit, and there it is. It brings up that same window that you saw when you added it. The last thing I'm going to show you real quickly here is your sidebar text box, the About section. In this particular template, you see there is a quick About Us menu, About Us window. It's not the same as your main About Us page. This main About Us page is going to contain a lot of information, or all the information you can provide about your company. The quick About Us window, this actually can be changed to a quick introduction to your company, a quick contact information box. You might want to consider providing your contact information in this box, because it will show up on every page. Your customer won't be guessing about who to contact and what your contact information is. It's entirely up to you what you want to put in this box. It draws the title and the text from the box that that you're allowed to edit up here. Now, in some cases, on some website templates, instead of an About Us or a text box, sidebar text box, you'll see a customer testimonials section. You have the ability to manage customer testimonials that will scroll through all of the testimonials that you provide. And that can be added as well at any time to your website for an additional fee. So I'm just going to show you real quick. The text box, the sidebar text box editor is exactly the same as the previous text editors that I've shown you. It's a consistent text editor. You can add images, you can format text, etc. So that concludes our tutorial video. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit the YouTube support forum or email our help desk. Thank you.